Daniel, what's good?
She's so fine, she ain't even got it out.
Can you hear me, Daniel? What's up? Sounds good.
Yes, I can hear you, bro.
Good evening to you. What's up?
Yeah.
It's another new, today is day 7. Yes, day 7th of October. So far, so good. The market has actually been giving bread, like lots and lots and lots of bread. I'm sure you can hear me very well. Yeah?
Yes, bro, I can hear you.
You can hear me loud and clear, I guess.
Yes,
So let me reload my chat. Yep, yep. So from yesterday, actually, we spoke about JJ being forever bullish. Fact, we spoke about JJ like being a very bullish run, and we actually looked at. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. We actually tried to look at the next possible high where JJ could buy up to, and we marked out this lower high right here. And it's very good to know and good to see that we already have GJ at this juncture right now. We have GJ few pips away from 204,173. So what happened yesterday? Same thing that happened on Monday, or the same thing that repeated itself today. Whereby we saw GJ pushing up Asian session, retracing by New York session, sorry, retracing by London session, and then getting an entry from up buys New York and buying further. Same thing happened today. We had GJ pushing up a bit, Asian session, retracing part of Asian and then London. And as at the same time, within 1 o'clock, 1:30 ish, likewise here, 1 o'clock, 1:30 ish, that entry came upon us once again. Good bread. Like this is over two, this is over 150 pips. So it's a very solid trade. Good one for the books. Very good one. In between, how did I get all of this? As always, don't forget the same all over. We have price actually pushing up from here, from yesterday's analysis, playing out this high that we have right here, giving us a new high. And of course, a retracement was expected, but I did not know when the direct retracement was going to happen. Why did I get this my entry for sales? Earlier today, I did see price clearing out lows. That's from here. From this juncture here, I saw price, other price pushed up, retested here, pushed up further. I saw price doing this, retesting and selling down for that, pushing up and this. So of course, price has cleared out all of these lows here, giving an indicator that okay, we could likely see price selling out some more. I was actually expecting price to like drop down to this area here before we push up something of such. So yeah, or rather to the high, the previous high where it came out from like give us all of these highs. So that's why I was able to like okay, yeah, get this entry this morning. The price actually did sell a bit then. It sold down 40 plus pips. I TP'd at this juncture because yeah, I was still expecting buys. And due to what happened yesterday, the market always repeats itself. When we say that thing, it's not like it's not true. It happens all the time. You just need to be able to like be active. Yesterday we had price push up. See the same time. These are around like 130, 130, 230 ish. These are around 130, 230 ish again. You can see the opening of New York. We were able to see price giving us entry for buys. While during London session, what did price do? Price retested what during London session. Price was sold during London session. Same thing happened there also. Price also sold during London session and gave us that buy entry today. Banger entry. I won't even lie. Like very solid. Very, very, very solid. Because you can see this is the high that price actually broke out from. Price already retested it and pushed up. Of course, to get an entry into this, got an entry from the 5 minutes. Not the, I didn't get from the 3 minutes, anyways. I got my entry from the 5 minutes. Yup. Same price actually within all of here. I tell you always, guys, it's still the same repetition all the time. We have price sell down here, retest, sell down, push up, clearing out this high, first of all. It pushed up a bit, sold down again, pushed up further, giving us another higher low, pushing up again. It was at this retest here, I was like, okay, fine. The worst come to worst. This is like 20 pips. So by 0.1 of this is just like risking $20. 0.5, risking $100. What was it worth? And then I was quite certain that price was like a push up due to what happened yesterday. And of course, the market is obviously very much bullish. So yeah, we had price giving us all of this crazy ass push, big ass push. So from here, what's the time? This is like past 9. The market will be closing soon for today. So by Asian session, we'll see what's up. But then I really do expect a retracement soon. Because whether we like it or not, this whole gap we have under here will be filled sooner or later. You understand? This whole gap will be filled up sooner or later. If you check well from the previous calls we had, the previous videos, I did make mention of something. The fact that price pushed up here now, one day, all of this happened in one day, does not mean to take one day to the close. I told you it could take weeks, it take a long time. Surprisingly, price is not even trying to like close this gap, not right now. It's still like giving us highs, clearing out highs. So tomorrow, we'll watch out for what will happen tomorrow. For GJ, we're still very super bullish. But then there's something I want to like say. Due to the fact that I can see clearly that price has cleared out this high that we have here, that's this one right here that is here. There are chances that we could see a retracement because don't forget this is a downtrend, yeah. So when price automatically becomes that uptrend, it's aiming for where highs. So once price clears this high now, is retesting, pushing up, clearing out this next one, retesting, pushing up further, clearing out this next one. You understand? So in correlation to what we have right now, I'm not prophesying sales, but then there are chances we could start seeing price giving us sales due to the fact that it has cleared out this new high it has reached. Because the next high that price hit after this level was this one here. The price clearing out this one, there are chances that we could see sales. But now the current structure is very, very, very bullish. I'm sure you can see hear me, yeah? You can hear
Yes,
me, I
boss, I
guess.
can hear you. Yes, boss, I can hear you clearly.
So the current structure is still very, very bullish. So no definite sales at the moment. But once again, sooner or later, this gap is going to be filled. So when this gap will be filled, hope we'll be there to get our entries because this is a life-changing trade. You understand? This is over 600 pips. Even the sales down here, I'm not going to utilize on that. But then always trade what you see. Don't force your trades, guys. Do not force trades. Trade what you see. That will actually like help you a lot. Trade what you see. I entered this year now because the market was bearish. I was able to get out here because I was aiming for this low. And of course, I was still expecting buys push up. Entry now, the lower time frame, I saw price clearing our highs. And then I just took that risk because same thing happened yesterday on the previous opening of New York. We had price like pushing up further at the opening of New York and giving us banger buys. This price yesterday moved over 160 pips. Today again, price have moved over 160 pips again. Crazy bread. So when I tell you guys, your life can change in a week. It seems impossible, but you just need to be active. Because you see this move every day. These moves, they happen every day. Imagine getting to pump in 100 lots on this, double 100 lots on this, and you're catching 160 pips. That's good bread for the day. Or then imagine holding your trades from all of this, from even from last week, all this market was bullish from last week, holding your trail of this. So your life can literally change in 1 week, one good week. You just need to be active, you need to be there. You need to actually show up. You need to show up. You need to show up. So for GBP JPY, we're still market is still pushing up from what we can see here. Clearly, market is still buying. So until we'll see what Asian session has for us anyways. By Asian session, we'll know if the market will actually give us a retest once again like this, or we'll see if that market will actually be down and ready for a full-time retest. Over the time, sir, I've always noticed market structure, market trend usually changes on Wednesday. I've noticed that thing across time. You see the market will be buying, maybe the market is selling on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, the market will also sell. But you see that Wednesday, there are chances the market will start doing reverse, so the opposite. So then that's just my own. That's something I've noticed. Not like that is a strategy to win in the hair. Trade what you see, guys. The most important thing, trade what you see. Structure is key. If the market is clearing out highs, we're buying, obviously. The market is clearing out lows, we're selling. So for GBJPY, market is still very much bullish. We'll see what Asian session has for us by tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see what Asian session has for us by tomorrow. Here's my parts. Okay. So moving on, looking at GU. GU, funnily, GU, I actually did see that GU today. This morning, when I was up, actually did see, when I got up, I looked at everything and I did see price around here. There was no possibility of price actually pushing up further, but I don't know, for some certain reason, I was not just so interested in this move as I was banking more on GJ. Before I looked, it had already dropped, and of course, you guys already know. Once I miss my entry, I'm not really keen on getting into that trade. It's not that deep. Once I miss my entry on a trade, I'm not stressing, like trying to eat the list or eat craps. I prefer just getting my good entry, holding my trade because the slightest drawdown, you'll be out. So yeah, this was GU. So of course from yesterday, I really did expect price to actually like still push up some more and then test this area before we saw all of these sales. Well, don't forget guys, the market is always right. Now we had price pushing up, giving us a high, higher low, lower high, lower low, trying to clear this area. This. So of course, it's not even you don't really need you just need to trade what you see. Don't force it. This is 30 minutes time frame. I'm not even going lower than this. Although you can't for entries. Well, looking at the structure here, looking at the structure here, this area here is serving as a higher low. This is a higher low for this high. But now if you observe, price got up further, but failed to clear out for this high. After this area is a lower high, and price actually dropped down this area, testing this level too, pushing up some more, giving us another lower high around there, and we're dropping down. So within, I tell you guys, wake up early. Sometimes those entries by 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, they used to hit differently. When I tell you wake up early, it's not because I want you to come and do attendance or I want you to be up doing nothing. Those times, around 5, 6, you're always getting good entries, especially on gold. If you observe gold too, gold is give you those banger entries at those early times. So you see, from this 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, I'm going. You already caught your 100 pips and you're going on about your day. Anyways, this is this for GU. GU has already sold. GU had good sales. Good sales. Very good sales. So currently on GU, we've seen price sell down from this level, right? Giving us this new low. Let's see what Asian has for us. Can Asian session actually like, because realistically, all of these sales started from here, ended here. So can we see Asian session buying up somewhere up here to around this level or perhaps around this level here before we see sales, condition of sales? These are 30 minutes time frame. If you go down to the bigger picture, this is the bigger picture. You can see once again from the bigger picture, let me zoom into the 4H. This is price, you understand, within this whole bearish trend, this low bearish trend. This entry from here since last week, Wednesday, would have been down. Whoever I don't swing, I'm not a swing trader, so I don't really hold my trades for days. The highest 2, 3 days, I'm off the trade. So this is like 100 pips. All of retracement, I've seen me able to catch all of this too. This is like 70 plus pips down. Regardless of that, overall in general, I'm still bearish on GU. I'm still bearish on GU. Current structure now has cleared out this previous low here, giving me indication for what? More, giving me that indication for more sales. So yeah, I've seen price now sell down here, more indication for more sales. So what's the next thing I have to expect? Correction, then continuation of the trend. So let's see what Asian session has for us on GU. I don't trade Asian sessions. I'm not against trading Asian sessions, but I just preferably want to trade and London and New York. And of course, too, it's the reason why Asian, you guys know by common knowledge that different trading sessions have the way they affect different trading pairs. Like for instance, now trading gold, it's quite weird to be trading gold during Asian session, sha. I mean, USD is one thing that is usually pushing gold. People have been honest. That you observe during the New York session, gold is always having that high volatility. Look at indices too; they're always having that high volatility. During London session, you see all these European pairs like GBP, Euro. they have that high volatility because that is their own, that is their session. That's within that London session now. Those currencies are around that session. Same thing, same thing for USD card, USD chip, and the rest of them. You observe that USD card and USD chip, those pairs, those USD pairs, they move more. They have more volatility during they have more volatility during New York session. So for GU, we'll see what's up on GU. I expect GU to actually still retrace further. Let's see. Let's get an entry for GU real quick. To the 30. So we've had price. Well, for GU entry, suppose entry anyways. It's not so hard to find. This is a lower high. This is a higher low that price broke out. I gave out all of these lows. Now we had price give us this right here. Look, he clearing here. So let's see if we can actually get this tomorrow. We'll see. Only time can actually tell. But yeah, for now, I'm expecting more correction on this before the continuation of the trend. So I'll be looking out for entries, obviously, by London session. Looking out for entries by London session tomorrow. Um, I don't know. I didn't look at BTC also today. Let me quickly check out BTC and see what's up. What's up with BTC?
I beg you go still OBS USD card. Oh.
Why? So BTC, I don't. Did BTC hit its all-time high? I think Muga said it did. Okay, I'm on the six. I'm on the 6 hour. Okay, yeah. BTC, shey you see again, once again. See now, observe the structure on BTC, guys. Shey you see. Like, we even drew the pattern, thank God, it's following it. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Price has cleared out this high now, giving us a new high. It has cleared out these previous highs. So, of course, that retracement is almost likely to happen. That retracement is likely to happen. So, we've seen price now dropping down. We would likely see price dropping down some more, probably to this area, or perhaps to this area, maybe to 114, folks see it plunging up. But then, let's go down to, let's OBS the 1H. From the 1H, what can we see from the 1H? From the 1 hour, we can clearly see price giving us what's price doing from here up, yeah, up, yeah, up. Cleared out, yeah, yeah, yeah. So there are likely chances that we could see sales. Perhaps we could see sales to the downside before we see. But don't forget, all of these sales now are just retracement from one buy. This sales are just happen within this night. Michael just drop rah, and then price is gone. When in all sharp, like in on the higher pass, BTC is still very much bullish. BTC is still very much bullish. See again, another life changing trade. This is 26th of this is last week Friday now. If I'm not mistaken. Last 2 weeks Friday. To date, this is over 15k pips. So as I tell you guys, your life can change in 1 week. You just need to see that trade and be active. In 1 week, your life can change. It's not magic, it's not voodoo, it's reality. You just need to be active on the chat. Yeah, to check out USD card for you. I think that's the last thing I'll be checking for. We're out the USD card. Okay, yeah, true. I think we checked out USD card yesterday, right? We did.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so for USD card. Back to the 1H. Via expectation on USD card, you're still expecting price to. Our expectation on price, we see price sell down to this level. But what I can see right now, price is still very much respecting this. Price is still very much respecting this because so far so good. You see now. Imagine I was trading USD card today and I just been vexing barely 20 pips and my GJ is giving me 160 pips. So I mean, like, the pairs we trade really affect us. But now on yearly card, market is still very much consolidating. And like what you said, once price goes above this area, we should buy. Very good. So now I don't think I want to touch yearly card because there's nothing feasible in between all this consolidation. This is not food. You understand? I mean, you could trade this point to this point, but it's just like 17 pips. I don't advise this. This is crap. Like I don't advise stressing much over over this. As you can see, there's no much in here on here's the card. Nothing here to feast on in my own opinion at the moment. So as you can see, price is just consolidating within this area. But then previous buyers still very much expect price maybe perhaps deep down to one of these levels where it continues that buy. Regardless of whatever it does, price above here, price above 1.39650 is a very good indication that we are bullish. Good indicator that we are bullish. But then I'm not saying when you see price, you meant to see price, yeah, enter for buy you. I'm saying you should see this, then you enter for your buy. You understand? That's where the whole ICC comes in. Indication, you must always make sure you see that indication. If you don't see that indication, why you enter that trade? Although you get to a level whereby you don't need to see that indication. Most times, most of the trades I get into are always indications. That's what I've noticed. And then I just get to catch that correction so I'm firing more ammo into what? Into the condition of the trend. But then, of course, the reason why it's like that for me now is because over time, I've practiced this strategy over and over and over and over and over. So that next move on the smaller time, I can easily just spoil it and then we're in. So with time, you get there. But then, if you don't see that indication now, why are you trading? If you don't see that indicator that price has bought, why are you buying that pair? If you can see price clearing out highs, why are you buying? If you cannot see price with your eyes clearing out lows, why are you selling? Once again, if you follow the rules, if you follow the rules like with your full mind and your full chest and your full heart, with discipline on it, okay, fine, I want to do this. This strategy is very easy, guys. I swear. This is the easiest strategy. As in when I came across strategy back in 2022, since then my training has actually gotten easier, less stressful. Because now I know what I'm doing. If I'm buying, I know what I'm buying. I'm not just buying because I want to buy or because market is pushing up. I'm not this all of this now once again. I think we are very much confident in buy because now we've seen this indication here that price has bought up to this point. So there are chances that when price is bullish on this time frame, we'll see price pushing up for that. Well, for USD card, no much food to feast on right now as far price is still in this consolidation box. So I'll not see price either push up or probably sell down. But yeah, price selling down, we're still what all of these sales, we see them as well retracement for what small buys. Because once again, all of this structure started from here on the ladder, on the higher time frame now, started from here and ended here. But within this 1 hour time frame, we are still bullish, guys. Within this whole 1 hour time frame, we are still bullish because this is the higher low that I gave about this high. So until we see price on it here, buy is still very much imminent. But for now, price within a consolidation box. This condition is still. I would not want to touch price right now. Yes, card. And I would not even be trading USD card because once again, types of poverty pairs, USD card. You won't see this move every day on USD card. But 7 pips. You won't see for 7 pips on USD card every day. But three. Well, it's not too bad. For whoever is trading, it's not too bad. It's still a pair to trade, but I mean, if you chase high volatility pairs, it will make you richer faster. All of this. I traded the S30 today, guys, and banger. I swear, in a long time, I've not traded the S30. And it was very nice to see that I could actually get this. You understand? It's like I got in two K pips, almost 2K pips. I got about 1.8K plus. What am I looking for again? Seeing 1K pip a day is a blessing. Talk more seeing over 1.5K. So at 1.8K I got out. And yeah, as you can see, price pushed up, sold down again. All of this push now. Retracement, if you observe from this retracement, price is not clear out this low. If you observe it properly. This particular movement, it happens frequently all the time. See, this move that happen here is the move that happen here. See, look with me, guys. Price pushed up, yeah, gave me that higher low, pushed up further, right? Now I'm expecting price to push down here and what continue. Abi now. But price did what? Let me take this off. Now what the price do? Price pushed up here, sold down here, pushed up here. That retest to this level and what? Pushing up further. How do I know? See the move beside me here. See the move beside me here. Price has pushed up here, retested here, pushed up further, retested below. And now it's doing the same thing again, bro. The market repeats itself over and over. You just need to see. You just need to open your eyes, guys, and trade what you see. Oh my god. You need to open your eyes, guys, and trade what you see. Open your eyes and trade what you see. If you're not trading what you see, you are doing something wrong. Absolutely. If you're not trading what you see, you're doing something wrong. Absolutely. So this is just my little bias on. And yeah, one more thing. Shiba Inu. I know, I mean, do your own research. Facts. You should do your own research. That's facts, but I've been bullish on Shiba since 2021. Since that time, that since 2020, that somebody bought Shiba $1, and in 2021 it turned to 600K. I don't buy Shiba since then, and I've just been keeping it for years. It's been how many years now? It's been like 4 years plus now. So see, Shiba in the coming, but even if it's $1 Shiba, I can buy. Even if it's $1, buy, keep. No worry, be clear. This is over 800%. You understand? Your $1 on this is $800. This is over eight hundred
But
percent. So
how can they point us? How can I've tried to buy it before, but it's not sure. I'm not sure it's on MT5.
no, this you can buy this is crypto now. I'm talking crypto. You can buy on Binance.
Huh?
So I'm talking about crypto right now. You can buy on Binance. You don't trade Shiba is not traded at all.
Okay,
I'm not sure there's any broker that
okay,
trades Shiba. Yeah.
okay.
Just
So I
crypto.
can.
This is a crypto investment. Do your own research anyways. Do your own research. Do your own
Okay, no.
research. Do your own research. I know I hear say BT said, although, but then I'm telling you, buy Shiba, bro. See, if BTC can see Shiba now, if BTC can do this, if BTC can do this, why do you think Shiba cannot do that? You don't understand? Let me add it to my let me add it to the watch list here. Good. So so this is the monthly time frame. Let me clear it out. If BTC can do all of this, why can Shiba not do all of that? And then not just that, so looking at their the structure they have on Shiba, so it looks very promising. So $1, $10, leave it. You never can tell. See, it just took 1 month for price to buy up to this point. It's also very much possible right now. One long spike. You all wake up, you just see $80K in your wallet. Life changing, bro. Life changing. Anyways, that's that for that. So this is the end of day 7. Day 7 was actually cool. Good day for me. I don't know about the rest of you. It was a very good day for me. I'm active. I told you guys, it's time to lock in and start saving on your potentials. Today gold very sharp. I saw this entry too, but I don't trade gold. I just allow you guys do your thing. Very banger entry. I told someone to get in entries for buys. I just hold. Could have been buying for a very long time, but I think the person was actually laughing. One was laughing. That's Gucci. Tomorrow, same thing will happen again. Retracements, continuation of buys. Gold is on a full-time bullish mood. So you will not be looking for sales long term. You look try to get it for buy entries preferably and save your accounts. So I guess this is the end of our Zoom call for today. I don't think anybody has any question or anything to ask. You all stay safe and most importantly, lucky,